And is bouncing like usual. Bounce. Woo. Oh. Woo. We're gonna use this at the beginning of the video so y'all can see this hair stretchy and everything. And this is a week after I've already installed the hair, because I had to redo my intro because I forgot the intro. But you know, let's jump into the video. Let's go. Hey, what's up, cousins? Welcome back to my channel. And what's up, y'all? It's been a minute. I feel like I'm always saying it in my videos, and that's only because I really don't be want to upload no bullshit. I don't want to give y'all no half-ass content. I don't want to give y'all no content that y'all really don't need. And so let's just talk about this look. In today's video, you are going to be learning how I achieved this look. This look is with the ringlet 14-inch spring twist hair that I carry on my website, DoreneeBeautySupply.com. Now, the best part about this, y'all, this video gonna be short. Why? Because you ain't gotta do no pre-twisting. The hair comes pre-looped and ready to install. So, without further ado, let's jump right into it. Okay, y'all, here I am with my afro, and then I had to wash and blow it out so that way I can get it braided. So let's jump into this, y'all. So we have 10 braids in the front and we have 6 braids in the back, and I did use the zigzag method. What I'm showing you here is the actual hair. Like I said, it comes in with one pack. It comes with 20 to 24 strands per pack. For this look, I use 5.5 bags, and it is super bouncy, and then it's pretty much twisted, but tight twisted at the top, and then it basically has the spiral curls at the end. Now, if you are new to my channel, then basically I want to let you know that I always start in the front of my head. I start in the front of my head because you can fill up the front as much as you want, and the front is going to cover the back. And I also always do basically left to right. So if on the lower left braid, I put 4 of the crochet twist, then on the lower right braid, I'm going to put 4 of the crochet twist. Now, when you're doing these twists, like this is one of the first different types of hair that I've done in a long time where I actually use the crochet hook to pull the hair through. I usually just use my fingers, but you can use a combination of both. And if you get stuck, then you know, you might want to just open up the loop just a little bit wider so you can get your fingers through to pull the strands through. Now, so when you get closer to the top, and this is just me showing you all more of me installing the hair, just a little sped up. So when you get closer to the top, and you know if you're going to have a middle part or if you're going to have a side part or whatever may be the case, this is the only time where I kind of deviate from the number of strands that I put throughout the head. And that's only because if I'm going to have my part on the left side, I'm going to make sure that those braids in the left side, on the left side, have more than enough strands of hair, because I want that to be extremely full and I don't want the braids to be shown. So you'll see that coming up where I actually go back in and feel through just to see if there's any gaps to make sure that I can add more hair to it. But for the most part, coming on up into the top of the head, I usually go, you know, whatever's on the left is going to be on the right. I don't know what you're waiting on. Yep. You probably like, what? I don't know what you're talking about. I'm talking about you subscribing. If you ain't subscribed and you made it this far in the video, I really don't know what you waiting on. What do you need, honey? What is it that you need to subscribe? If you already subscribed and you already a part of the family, hey family, hey cousin, how you doing? I hope that 2020 is going great for you. I hope that you've accomplished some things. We halfway through first quarter. You know what? Comment below and let me know what you done accomplished already this year. You know, there was one of your goals that you had to get done or had to get through. All right, that's enough for the interruption. If you ain't subscribed, I don't know what you waiting on. Go ahead, hit the subscribe button, become a cousin, become a part of the family. Back to the video. Okay, y'all. Once the front is full, we're gonna put this thing up into a bun, and we're gonna go ahead and get started on the back of the hair. You can take a little dance break, and then you go ahead and get started on the back of the hair. Okay, so this is about the best I can do as far as a view of the back, yeah. And then pretty much I just make sure I'm in focus for my camera, and then I basically feel my way through as I'm installing the hair. And like I said, with the back, I usually count out my strands, and I try to do those as even as possible. And then where, you know, it connects, because I actually have thicker hair in the back, while I have more hair, so my braids are a little bit bigger. So pretty much I just make sure that I feel and I cover up as much as I can. But like I said, for this look, I used a total of 5.5 bags. I recommend getting the 6, but if you have smaller parts, you're going to need more bags, because if you have smaller parts, that means you're going to have more braids. The more braids you have, the more hair that you're going to actually need. So anywhere from 6 to 8 packs. Now, if I do my hair smaller, if I do the braids smaller, then I'll guarantee you I'll probably use at least 7 bags. And that's pretty much the back, y'all, nice and full. And you can see how basically the back is covered up. Now, when I take down that ponytail or that bun, it's going to cover it up at the top. And this is just me taking it down. I'm like, okay, yes, come through. I'm like, these girls turned out really cute. So now we're gonna go ahead and get with the edges, and y'all know me, I usually like to comb, and then I officially lay with the brush part of the edge brush. Like I said, if you're new to my channel, I have a number of videos where I show you all how I do my edges, and I have a number of videos where I actually explain my whole process of how I crochet my hair in. And what I'm doing too, usually I braid my hair a little bit tighter than this, and I'll have some of my edges braided in. But now I'm starting to leave a lot of my edges out because I don't need them to thin out. We don't want that. We don't want that, cuz, okay? Gotta do a little dance break, cause you know, sometimes, you just be feeling your edges. Okay, y'all, and that's pretty much it. This is the final look. I love the hair. It's nice and stretchy. It's bouncy. It was very easy to install. No pre-twisted needed, y'all. No pre-twisted. Okay, it is ready to install, and it will be available Friday, February 14th on Valentine's Day. www.DoreneeBeautySupply.com. Alright, cousin, thanks so much for watching, and I hope that I gave y'all all the information. If not, comment below and I will be sure to answer your question. Like I said, this hair is 14 inches and it is springy. It is very springy. So I just wanted to let y'all know. And then right now, as I'm recording this video, this is actually a week after I've initially installed it. That's why you see 2 different looks. So yeah, thanks so much for watching. The hair can be purchased at DoreneeBeautySupply. Beauty Supply. Their information will be in the description box below. Thanks so much for watching, and until next time.